This shit is hard, man. So that didn't at all go according to plan.
No.
Unfortunately, the place was not too well kept, and you know, you just felt dodge. I thought my life was in danger. We are literally looking, Natalie's looking right now on her phone to try and find something else that we want to do for our date night today, because this one fell apart.
The next morning.
Good morning!
And welcome back to another episode of It's a Date.
Today's chat's taking me out on an exciting date.
I planned the date, people, and everything went smoothly.
No, it didn't.
Yet today we found something new and probably even more exciting.
I'm very excited.
We are going whitewater rafting.
More like river rafting.
River rafting.
Row, row, row your boat.
So I forgot our GoPro chest strap, but luckily these guys, they hooked us up. Look at this, guys. It's gorilla style GoPro, all taped up. So yeah, great start to the morning. So we're going the wrong way. Good job, babe. You have fun?
I did. I really enjoyed not just the adventure. The adventure was super fun. The water was a bit low today, but that's no one's fault. Imagine how exciting it must be when it's like super high. But I especially love the company. Like everyone from the reception to taking us out on the trails. Our guides were absolutely fantastic. I really recommend Ground Zero for some fun adventure stuff.
So you give it a 2 thumbs up?
I give it a 2 thumbs up. A key ingredient in any relationship is spending quality time together. and giving each other your full focused attention. Thanks for watching, and click below for some more date night video ideas.